Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queen. Today we are taking a thrift store tray, random, and then 3 little piggies from where? Dollar General, y'all. These are from Dollar General. They are the Hear No, Speak No, See No Evil. We're going to take some brown chalk paint, some sandpaper, and some gold rub and buff and make these little piggies beautiful. These are super cute the way that they come. I love the colors. It's the paint job that got me. You know when somebody's brushing their teeth and they have like the white foam everywhere? That's what looks like is in the armpits and everywhere on these little piggies. I can't leave it. So since they were soft and shiny, we went ahead and sanded them to scuff them up, and our chalk paint will stick a little easier this way. And then we're just going to give this 2 good coats of brown chalk paint, drying in between. You could also set these to the side and go on to the next one instead of using a heat tool if you do not have a heat tool. Now after 1 coat they look hideous but after a couple coats and the gold rub and buff, I promise it's coming, they'll look adorable. This rub and buff is the antique gold color, and I'll use a soft makeup brush. Guys, they almost look like chocolate piggies. Look at them. All right, back to rub and buff. We're going to just spread that over our little piggy. Now, I went all over. I want my rub and buff to be on the top and the brown paint to be in the groove. See there? So obviously, if you want this to look a different way, you could use less or more. Now, we can't have nothing looking nice and new. No. So I'm going to buff this with some black wax, and it's going to make that antique gold look aged. I'm using a dry paper towel here, and it's just going to pull back some of that rub and buff. Now, I didn't want to pull off a lot or all of my rub and buff, so I was just careful and just got it the look I wanted. Here's a little reminder of what we started with. So kind of a boho vibe to a dark, moody, classy vibe. Now that our first piggy's done and we got it how we like it, we are going to do the other 2 exactly the same way. So scuff it up with some sandpaper, 2 coats of brown chalk paint, making sure to get down in all those grooves so you have none of that coral or white color coming through. Then laying some gold rub and buff on top and distressing it with some wax. Squirrel, remove any tags with your heat tool and a scraper. Now I don't have footage of the tray, but I primered it since it had that grease, then gave it 2 good coats of brown chalk paint and did gold around the rim, y'all. I think this project turned out absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and we'll see you next time. Bye!